10,000 rows. You don't want the list. You want one answer. The highest salary, the average price, the total count. That's what aggregate functions do. Millions of rows in, one number out. 5 functions to remember. Max, the highest value. Min, the lowest. AVG, the average. Sum, everything added up. Count, how many rows? AVG and sum ignore nulls, so your math stays honest. Watch it work. Select max emp salary from employee. 1 row, 1 column, the top pay in the company. Add a where line and the function only looks at the matching rows. Simple, powerful. Need to know who earns it? Wrap the aggregate in a subquery. Select star from employee, where emp salary equals. Open parent. Select max. Emp salary from employee. Inside runs first, outside uses the answer. Now the money shot, AVG returns the average pay. Count star returns how many rows exist. Put them in the same select, and you get a mini dashboard from one query. That's the power. Sum versus count. Don't mix them up. Sum totals the values in a column. How much are we paying all the managers? Count counts the rows. How many managers do we have? Different questions, different answers. Ready for the next level? Pair any aggregate with group by, and you get one answer per category. Salary per department, sales per region. Same functions, but sliced by whatever column you want. Max, min, AVG, sum, count. 5 words that turn massive tables into clean insight. Save this one. Drop your favorite in the comments, like subscribe. See you in EP9.